Hi friends, welcome to our math channel. Nowadays speed most important, please remember. At the same time, you want to correctly that purpose. I will explain one question in this video. This logical question, okay, I will display the question. Now observe the question, try to analyze what was given in the question, what was asked there, how to do like that. This type of analysis habit useful to you. So in any exam, by seeing the question, read one or two times and analyze the question. What was given, how to solve this. Okay, I will display this. See in this question, given three friends, Bill and Harry and Martin. For content, I'll use names Balu, Hari, and Marti like that. Okay, names whatever it may be. You observe the question, analyze the question. Okay, what was given here, what was asked there, and how to solve. That method I will explain easily. Observe the question, friends. Here asked less than 190 appeals. If given equal to 190 easy, but less than 190, because of less than 190, you want think logically. I will explain. Observe this. Okay. Welcome back, friends. In this question, given names Bill, Harry, and Martin. Names whatever maybe take first letter. Okay. Here given. Okay. The number of apples brought by Bill equals to 4 times of Harry. So given to write like this. Do the rough work like this. In the competitive exam, do very shortcut manner. In the CBSE type exams, in the object type exam, you do rough work fast. Okay. In this, suppose board exams, you write elaborately, but I will explain the concept only. Okay. After here given Bill, number of apples brought by Bill equal to 4 times of Harry. Same number. This amount means here same number of apples brought by Bill equals to 3 times of Mary, 3 times of Martin. Okay, this one given. From this idea, these two clues given. From these clues, get the ratio in this manner. Here, B, this into H transferred by H equal to 4. 4 means 4 by 1. Here also, B by M equals to 3 by 1. 3 is nothing but 3 by 1. M transfer is said by M. Now, this ratio is nothing but B by you will write in the form of B by H or B into H. From this writing ratio, B is H equals to 4 is to 1. Here also B is M equals to 3 is to 1. This one you want to convert as equal ratio. Okay, observe. In these two ratios, I wrote B is S, that is nothing but 4 is to 1. B is M, 3 is to 1. But in the what is the common letter here? Common letter is B. Make the B value equal, then only answer is easy. Okay, that is the clue for this. Make the B value same. That purpose, observe here, to raise this B by H equals to 4 by 1 into, okay, how to make equally? Find the, here B value 4 parts, here B is 3 parts. That's why 4, 3 LCM. Find the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. That's why raise up to that into 3 by 3. Getting 12 purpose, 4 3 are 12. That's why into 3 by 3. This ratio B by M equal to 3 by 1. Here also make it 12. That making equal to 12 purpose. Okay, 3 4 is 12. That's why into 4 by 4 is select. Now what you got here? B is 2. Therefore B is to M is B is to H. 4 3 are 12 is to 3. Here B is to M is 3 4 is 12. Here got 12 by 4. So 12 is to 4. Okay, don't simplify. We want make B value equal. In this two ratios, common letter is B. That's why make B equal. Then only possible compare. With these two ratios, we possible to write as single ratio when we have common letter same. Here, what is the common variable? B. That value same is there, then only possible to make a single ratio. Now make it single ratio. B is to H is to M equals to 12 is to 3 is to 4. Okay. Now let number of apples brought by B equals to 12x, Harry 3x, Martin 4x like that. Then making answer easy. by this single ratio, from this single ratio, write number of apples of will equals to, let this 12x, okay, let this, we are assuming that's why, okay, number of apples of Harry equals to 3x, okay, this also assuming, and the number of apples of Martin equals to 4x, okay. Here we turning point, observe here, total number of apples equals to 12 plus 3 15 plus 4 19x, but is this given less than 190, equal 190 given, very easy, 190 is equal to 190, x equal to 10, then x value substitute here, easy to get, okay. Suppose given equal to 190 apples, total equal to 190 apples, then easy to get equal to 190, x equal to 10, then by substituting 10, here 12 tens are 120, 3 tens are 30, 4 tens are 40 answer. But here logically given this 9 total is less than 190 apples, is said. That's why this total is less than 190, then what is the maximum number of apples of Bill brought, okay? That purpose we are finding. Observe here, now 19x equals to 190, less than 190, then x is less than 190 by 90. Both are positive, that's why no change in the symbol less than, okay, then therefore we get x is less than 10, 19 tens are 190, okay. Observe students. From this, x less than 10 means, here asked maximum possible number, maximum possible value for x equals to, see here, maximum possible whole number or natural number is 9. Why? Because less than 10, below 10, that whole number, because number of apples is a whole number. That's why no apples means 0. More apples is there, 1 is 4, like that. That's why always it is a whole number. That's why here answer maximum number of apples brought by Bill. That's why that purpose compulsory not select below 10 maximum. Why? Because he used maximum number. That's why maximum number possible less than 10 is 9. Now this x value substitute here. This question is what is the maximum possible apples brought by Bill? So therefore maximum possible apples of Bill equals to 12x. 12 into x. What is x value? 12x. From this 12x, 12 into x value, 12 9s are 108. That is the solution, my dear friends. Okay? Like this, easy to solve. Follow this method. Method important. Don't think about only question. This one easy like that. This method, like this you think and get ideas. You by this, adding my ideas to your ideas, you will get benefit. Okay? Think like in this manner. Thank you, friends. I hope you understand well. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Your likes only gives boost to me. And tell your friends and relatives also to subscribe our channel. It is like gifting a best book to others. Why? Because it is a free channel. Okay, your subscribes only boost to me. Our channel is like a best book to others. Please give to others. Thank you.